In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a candle Shopify website. We'll walk through the essentials step by step so you can get a clean professional storefront up and running for your candle business. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. This is where you'll manage your store, products, and design. On the home page, look for the login button and click it. Sign in with your email or one of the available single sign-on options. Use a secure password and keep your login details safe since you'll be managing your business here. With your admin open, create a new browser tab and go to themesshopify.com. This is Shopify's official theme marketplace. Browse for a clean, minimal theme that will make your product photos and scent descriptions shine. Free options like Dawn and Scents are great starting points because they're flexible, fast, and easy to customize. Preview a few themes on desktop and mobile to see how your product pages and homepage sections might look. When you find one you like, add it to your theme library so it's available in your admin. Head back to your store's admin. In the left-hand panel, open products and choose Add Products. Then click Add Product to start your first candle listing. Give your product a clear name, write a descriptive but concise description focusing on scent notes, burn time, wax type, and vessel details, and upload high-quality images or short videos. Set your price, add SKU and inventory quantities, and include the product's weight for accurate shipping rates. If you have variants like different sizes or scents, add them here. Use tags such as soy, or lavender, or holiday to help organize products later. Save as you go, then repeat for each candle you plan to sell. Next, return to the left panel and click Collections. Choose Add Collection to group related products and make browsing easier. Create collections that reflect how customers shop for candles. Think soy candles, luxury candles, seasonal scents, gift sets, or wax melts. Add a helpful description and a featured image if you have one. You can build collections manually by selecting products or automatically by setting conditions like including items with certain tags. This makes future product organization much easier as your catalog grows. When your collections are set up, click Save. You now have a theme selected, products added, and collections organized, 3 core pillars of a polished candle Shopify website. From here, you can customize your theme to showcase collections on the homepage, highlight bestsellers, and fine-tune colors and fonts to match your brand.